Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create auto captions using CapCut's AI feature. So I have this video here, which is like a video that I recorded just a few minutes ago, and it has like an audio of me talking. So once you have imported your clip, go to text and select auto captions and select the original sound because there's only one. You can also select the language. You can also use these, but you need the pro feature, which I don't have. It deletes like people saying which I do say a lot because it takes time for me to think what I'm gonna say next. So once you're done with that, you're just going to select start, and it's going to create auto captions for you. You can also do it like create it on your voiceovers as well, but yeah, as you can see, it's creating auto captions for the original video. Make sure your clip isn't muted either. Here is the like text. It is very tiny, but you can like edit it to like make it bigger. You can also adjust the like style of it. So go to style. You can select the font you want for it too, and like other colors. You can also like not apply it to auto captions, so the colors can change. So for instance, I selected this pink one, and then on this one I wanted a different color. Go back to style, deselect apply to auto captions, and select another color, and the color will change. You can also batch edit the text. For instance, there's a few that CapCut gets wrong. It will happen because, you know, it's an AI. It won't be perfect every time, so you can definitely edit that here and even delete some on the way. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!